Hello Harry, long time no see. Still working at rivers, deltas and coasts?
Yes, still working internationally on waterways, flood management and hydropower plants. What about you? Tell me.
I'm still working on environmental quality and clean technologies, now in the business line of industry, energy and mining. Lately I'm focusing on innovative concepts in a bio-based economy. Are you familiar with bio-based economy and the new possibilities that arise from biorefinery technologies?
No, tell me.
Bio-based economy is the modern use of biomass to produce sustainable products. It often replaces fossil material as a feedstock and uses leftover biomass to produce valuable materials and energy, according the value pyramid. By smart application of latest technologies, like biorefinery, new business cases are created, as more value is being added to the biomass material. Recently, in our cooperation with Wageningen University Research Center, one of the leading technology centers in the field of biorefinery, I learned that how many different plant materials can be refined, like the invasive species of water hyacinth.
In many countries around the world, water hyacinth is a major problem, mainly Africa and Asia, where growing conditions in water hyacinth are good. Water hyacinth is, for instance, a big problem for waterway transport and causes problems at intakes for water supply and hydropower intakes. Its presence also increases chance to health risks like bilharzia. We've come across the problem in Africa and Asia, especially in countries like Nigeria, Ghana, Philippines, Vietnam and Thailand. In these countries, there's a lot of waterway transport, hydropower development and water supply requirements. Recently, UNEP published an overview of the problem, mentioning that more than 50 countries are facing this problem and a solution is still not found. It's interesting to learn what the concept of bio-based economy means in practice for solving the water hyacinth problem.
I will explain the concept of application of biorefinery on water hyacinth. After harvesting and pre-treatment by drying, in the small-scale biorefinery unit the nutrients are separated that can be used as a fertilizer in local agriculture. And, most important if you keep in mind the value pyramid, the protein is being extracted. This protein is of great value as an animal feed. The remaining biomass is digested and converted into heat and electricity. First, financial cost-benefit calculations show that the benefits are more than equaling the costs. This means that the problem of water hyacinth can be changed into a sustainable business case.
The current problem is that there is no incentive to clean it up. Your concept is brilliant and creates a win-win revenue-generating mechanism. We have identified several areas where water hyacinth is causing a real problem and where we know the local problem owners, like in Ghana, are needing this problem. In order to be successful, we need to involve all stakeholders, like hydropower operators, water authorities, health organizations, local population for harvesting, farmers to check their interest in using fertilizer and animal feed protein. Most importantly, this innovation is very much demand-driven and provides exposure in the international scene. Working with Wageningen University only enhances the branding of this concept.